Hey viewers, you're watching Dash of Delight with me Soumya. In today's video, I'm going to show you a perfect healthy breakfast which is vegetable oats. You can also call it oats poha or oats upma. In this recipe, you will see how boring oats can be completely transformed into a lip-smacking dish. So keep watching the video till the end and let's get started. For vegetable oats, here I've taken 2 cups of oats. I've taken steel cut oats. You can also use quick rolled oats for this recipe. Now the very first step is to roast them. So take a pan and start dry roasting the oats. Keep roasting for at least 4 to 5 minutes until it slightly changes the color. See, like this. Then after 4-5 minutes of roasting, take it out in a bowl and then add some water to it. Now there is no perfect measurement of water. We just need to slightly soften the oats. That's it. So keep adding the water in small quantity and keep mixing like this. So here I have used around 1 cup of water. So keep adding and keep mixing this way. So it's done now. Keep it aside and let it rest for at least 5 minutes. Meanwhile, take 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and once it is hot enough, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Leave it for 4-5 seconds. Let it crackle. Now add green chilies to it. I've taken 3 green chilies. You can adjust the quantity as per your taste. Then wait for 4-5 seconds and then add chopped onion. So I've taken only half an onion. Saute the onion till it changes the color to golden brown. Now here I've finely chopped some vegetables. So let me show you. I've taken half carrot, then 1/3 capsicum. My capsicum was of medium size. Then I've taken half potato and then this is 2 tablespoons of green peas. So I've taken frozen green peas. If you have the fresh ones, that will also work. So guys, you can also take the vegetables of your own choice like green beans, bell peppers, any vegetable you like. Now here, as you can see, our onions are nicely cooked and have changed the color. So time to add in our vegetables. So add in all the chopped vegetables here, the carrots, green peas, potatoes and capsicum. Saute everything properly. Mix it well. Now add some salt to it. So in goes half teaspoon of salt, followed by 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything and saute well. Then lower down the temperature, place the lid and let it cook for around 5 to 7 minutes. Then after around 7 minutes, you will see that the vegetables are nicely cooked. Mix it slightly. Now time to add in our oats here. So add in all the oats. There we go. Give everything a good mix. Thorough mixing is required here. So saute everything for at least 1 complete minute and then lower down the flame, place the lid and let it cook for around 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, open the lid and give a good mix here. We are almost there. Now add finely chopped coriander leaves or cilantro and then squeeze in half lime or lemon. So guys, if you want, you can also add in some roasted peanuts, but that is completely optional. Also, at this stage, you can check and adjust the salt. Now give everything a final mix here. So that's it guys, our delicious and super healthy vegetable oats is all ready to be served. So take it out in a serving bowl and kickstart your day with this bowl full of nutrients. Loaded with fiber, antioxidants and goodness of veggies, this becomes a must-try recipe. So enjoy this amazing dish at your homes and do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and take care of yourselves. It's me Soumya signing off. Bye-bye.